Welcome to Fort William, gateway to Ben Nevis, a town in the western Scottish Highlands on the shores of Loch Linnhe. I stayed the night here in the Travelodge, which was very comfortable. Here we see the Suarfeit statue, which marks the end of the 96-mile West Highland walking route. Before we head up the high street, I must have a closer look at that amazing view across Loch Linnhe. Loch Linnhe is a sea loch and is about 20 miles long. You can see the Highland Hotel in the background on the skyline, originally built as a Victorian railway hotel and retains many of its original features. The town is centred on the High Street, which was pedestrianised in the 1990s. The Ben Nevis Bar, built in 1806 as an inn for cattle drovers. The whisky shop was founded in 1992, with the first shop in Edinburgh. 30 years on, the whisky shop is the largest specialist retailer of whisky in the UK, with 21 shops. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. In 1911, a Ford Model T car was driven up Ben Nevis in a publicity stunt by Henry Alexander, Scotland's first dealer of American car company Ford. In 2018, this bronze statue was unveiled here in Cameron Square to remember this event. The West Highland Museum is one of the oldest museums in the Highlands. It was founded in 1922. The collections span a range of subjects, from archaeology to modern industry, with a special emphasis on the Jacobite risings in the 18th century. The Crofter Bar and Restaurant. There's many bars along this high street. It took quite a while to work my way back to the hotel that evening. St Andrew's Church, the present building, dates back to the late 19th century. The area to the right is known as the Parade. Duncansborough Mackintosh Parish Church is one of the most historic buildings in Fort William, built in 1692 to house both the prison and the offices of the local sheriff. In 1800 it was expanded to accommodate a larger number of parishioners. Memorial to Donald Cameron of Lochiel was a Scottish Jacobite, soldier and a hereditary chief of Clan Cameron. Lochiel was among the Highlanders defeated at the Battle of Culloden, and thereafter went into hiding before eventually fleeing to France. A peace memorial, it was the bell tower of the old Duncansborough Church. From here you can ride the Jacobite steam train, the Hogwarts Express. A short rest before heading back down the high street. Some effective lighting on the way back. It's early the following morning. I hope you enjoyed this visit to Fort William. Join me in the next video when I visit Ben Nevis, the UK's highest peak. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, enable notifications so you don't miss the next episode. See you next time.